Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming both devices use the same Apple ID and are on stable Wi-Fi. Once done, pick up your iPhone and open Settings. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID options. Make sure iCloud is visible because you'll turn off specific sync features there. Don't waste time toggling random settings. Concentrate on iCloud and then prepare to mirror those steps on the iPad. This ensures you control which apps sync and which stay local. Now you're in iCloud settings, scroll through the app list and locate the apps you want unsynced. You should toggle each app off. Do it one at a time so you know which data stops syncing. For photos and contacts, turning off iCloud photos or contacts removes automatic sync. For messages, open Messages in Settings and manage iMessage or Messages in iCloud. Once you've adjusted iPhone switches, repeat the exact same toggles on the iPad so both devices stop sharing that app data. To finish, mirror those iCloud toggles on the iPad so both devices reflect the same preferences. Once done, check each app to confirm data is behaving locally rather than syncing. If you need a full disconnect, sign out of the Apple ID on one device. That severs syncing entirely. If sync still persists, restart both devices and revisit settings to verify changes. A final tip: make sure you have local backups before turning anything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.